Hello everyone, welcome to Dr. JP classes. I hope you all are fine. Friends, in my previous video I had discussed about ICT in classroom, introduction, tools of ICT, why technology, why use ICT in classroom, role of ICT in classroom, ICT tools in the classroom. In next, we will continue with part 2. In this part, we will learn how ICT helps the teacher in classroom teaching, implications of using ICT for teacher, importance of ICT in classroom, ICT both in classroom and beyond, problems with technology in classroom, 21st century learning, and conclusion. Let's start. How ICT helps teachers in classroom teaching. Offers new way of teaching the same thing. It helps the teacher to know the same content in different ways. If the teacher use ICT, it provides knowledge to the same content in the different way, enables a focus on each and every child. If the teacher use ICT in the classroom, reduce bureaucratic burdens on teacher. The teacher not only teach in the class, other works are also there. If the teacher use ICT in classroom, it reduce burden of the teacher. It saves time in lesson planning and administration, and it also offers a more comprehensive approach to assessment. It also helps the teacher in the assessment field. In the assessment, the teacher use Rubistar. It is a ICT tool and it is quite helpful for the teacher. Then ICT helps teacher to interact with students. It helps in improve teaching skill, helps in innovative teaching. The teacher with the help of ICT know different things and know different content, and it improves the teaching skill of the teacher, and it also helps the teacher in research purpose. It helps in effectiveness of classroom. The teacher is always wanted to make the classroom effective. ICT helps for that purpose. It also helps in improving professional development and educational management. That teacher always want to develop their profession. So ICT also quite helpful for that purpose. Enhances active learning of teacher trainees. Those who are in the training field, they are also quite benefited if they know about the ICT. Moving towards importance of ICT in classroom. ICT in teaching is very important because it develops learning attitude of students' creativity. It develops the creativeness of the student, and it is quite helpful for knowledge construction, create learning environment, teaching strategy and problem solving skill. To develop the problem solving skill of the student, understanding concepts using various tools. It is quite helpful for the student understanding the concept. Use different type of ICT tool. Learner has opportunity to keep record of information in electronic version. It is also quite helpful for the student to keep record or keep record any link, any video in the electronic version. Then moving towards implications of using ICT for teacher. It helps the teacher to give importance to student-centered approach. In everywhere, we give importance to the student. So, ICT play important role to make the classroom student-centered and student engagement of the teaching learning process and increase student outcome level. The teacher always want to develop the outcome level of the student. If the teacher use ICT in the classroom, it increases students' outcome and variety and engagement with the curriculum. Then moving away from the chalk and talk method to ICT into our classroom, because we are in the digital era, we are in the technological era, we everywhere in our daily life we give importance to ICT. So we use ICT in our classroom. ICT both in classroom and beyond. The ICT is not only help the student in classroom, it also helps the student to think more about the society, about the economic system of the country. ICT can make significant contribution to teaching and learning across all the subjects. ICT can be a tool for school improvement. ICT is a core skill which is essential for participation in today's society and economy. The effectiveness and systematic use of ICT is integral to the wider education strategy to bring about further improvement in teaching both in classroom and beyond. Here, the ICT is helpful for the teacher and the student to know the subject well for the improvement of the school, to know about the society and our economic system, and we think more about the classroom. ICT in classroom emphasizes STEM. STEM. S stands for science, T stands for technology, E for engineering, and M for mathematics. If we use ICT in classroom, all the subjects are become easier, and it is quite helpful for the student to know the content very well. These are the current trends in ICT in the classroom. We use ICT in the classroom in different forms. That is, we upload the video, or we use video to search the different links, and to listen the others lecture we use YouTube, and we also use podcast, web, interactive board in the teaching learning process, and we also use iTunes, Skype in our classroom. In the online classroom purpose, Skype is quite important and Skype is quite essential. Then the problems with technology in the classroom. Misleading and misguiding information. Sometimes technology provides information that are not true. Risk of cyber attacks and hacks. Some people attempt to destroy, steal valuable information from our computer and make unauthorized use. A risk to the traditional book and handwriting method. Previously, in the traditional classroom, the student searched the content in the textbook and write it down. But nowadays, it is replaced by click on the link and get the information. Managing course online is difficult. It is very difficult to arrange the course or manage the course in online way or using technology in our arrange the subject. Managing course online is difficult. Difficult to arrange or manage the course. Managing course online is very difficult. All the courses are not arranged help of technology. It is difficult. Misuse of technology. Sometimes students use the technology for playing games and watching movies. They misuse it. Not accessible everywhere. Whose financial condition is not good, they cannot afford that. So inequality is in there. It creates inequality. Teachers require experience to handle it. To handle the ICT tools, it is necessary or it is quite essential that teachers have ICT skill to how to handle it. Implementing computers and internet is expensive. It is very expensive to implementing or to use. It is also implementing computer and the internet is expensive. The computer gadgets are very expensive. So it is not possible for everyone or every institution to use in the teaching learning process or use it in the classroom. Few believe that computers can limit imagination. Our imagination, some resource person said that our students' imagination, students' thinking power is limited if they use ICT or if they use computers in their teaching learning process. Nowadays, give importance to the digital skill and 21st century learning skill also give importance to know, to act, to value. Foundational knowledge, that is to know, meta knowledge, that is to act, and humanistic knowledge, to value. In foundational knowledge, there is the knowledge of digital or ICT literacy, core content knowledge, cross-disciplinary knowledge. In meta knowledge, that is to act, creativity and innovation, problem solving and critical thinking, and communication and collaboration. And humanistic knowledge, that is to value, life and job skills, ethical and emotional awareness, and cultural competence. In the digital era, in the technological era, we give importance to the ICT and we give importance to the 4 C's, that is critical thinking, communication, collaboration and creator. If the student use ICT in their learning field or we use ICT in our classroom, the students' critical thinking power is developed, that is they solve the problems, they act as a communicator, understanding and communicating ideas, collaborator, that is working with others, and become a creator, producing high quality work. Then 21st century give importance to the ICT literacy, to connecting ICT to the classroom to enhance the teaching of literacy. It is the main slogan. If it is a main slogan, so we use ICT in our classroom. Then conclusion. The developments in the use of the electronic media have influenced all walks of life. Education is no exception to this. We use technology in different fields and all walks of life and in our daily life. So why should not use it in our education field? So education is no exception to this. The use of computers and the internet for enhancing the quality of education by making learning more relevant to life has been seen as an ideal by educational institutions. To make educational institutions smart and provide quality of education, the educational institutions are use ICT in their classroom. The citizens of tomorrow who are our students now are going to live in the age of the electronic media. So, use of ICT in the classroom is more meaningful. Enhancing that teaching of curriculum using digital tools will help prepare our students for their future success. For development of the student or future success, we should use technology in our classroom. That's all for today. In next video, I will upload new topic related to education soon. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification when new videos are uploaded. Okay everybody, thank you. Stay tuned.